So as you can see, we got a built-in strainer. I found a little kitchen strainer at No Frills. I bought the set. I carefully welded that up in there. That serves to prevent any sort of crap from getting into the system in the first place. Right here we have the vent line that allows the fuel level between this tank and this funnel to balance out. So right now the fuel level is right here, which means that it is at the top of the tank. The highest point of the tank is ascertained by these custom cutouts I've done to make sure that because the tank is round, the highest point is still right here at the end of the tank, because this wouldn't be the highest point. So that connects it up and makes sure the system works. At the lowest point, with the same sort of cutout I did, we have the fill. This is the fill as well as the drain combined into one tube for simplicity's sake. We have the drain valve, which allows us to drain the gas through a series of increasingly finer filters going to our holding tank temporarily. Right here we have the water separator line. What I do is I wait overnight, and over time gravity will put the water to the lowest point in the system, which is this, and the gas will float on top of it, like in this jar. At the bottom of this jar is the layer of water, and on top is the layer of gasoline. So if you wait long enough, they will fall out of suspension with each other, and one of them will float on top of the other. And water is always at the bottom, then gas, then air. So I just wait overnight, and then I carefully skim off the water, and then I have pure gasoline, good to go. Then I open this valve, and then all that gas will go through a series of increasingly finer fuel filters, and then it will go to the jerry can. The jerry can is special. I can't ventilate it out here because I don't want fumes all over the shop. So this is the fill line that allows me to fill fuel into the jerry can, and because I'm putting fuel into it and it's sealed, there's no way for air to come out, so I made a custom air line that goes all the way up here, and you'll never guess where it goes. It goes back to the original fill filter, strainer, funnel. This is where all the fluid dynamics shit happens. And anyways, talking about fumes, okay, how do I manage that? Well, we have this cap. And this cap has a Honda PCV valve, which allows vacuum and pressure. That's right here. And this is like a little doodad to make sure that there's like a spark arrestor, I guess. But this is a Honda PCV valve that allows expansion and pressure, because when the sun comes up in the morning and it comes through this window and it heats this tank up, the fuel inside will expand, and when the sun goes down in the evening and it gets a bit colder, the fuel inside will shrink. Expansion and contraction, it's like testicles, and it is the problem that has led to the death of like all of my gas machines. The glass shatters. The glass keeps fucking breaking. So, this is the prototype, and it is working.